So day 6 of demolition cleanup has completed. Today's task, we have caved in the former foundation and backfilled the former hole. So let's go out, see what it looks like. At least now all the fences are gone, so now everything is accessible. Look how nice. They did a nice job. All they need now is some grass seed. So as you can see, the excavator is gone. That's up on Katy Street now. So all we got left is just a big mess in the back. Hopefully the neighbor should put a new fence up, because this one is falling apart. There's the company that did all this, Bronze Contracting. So like I said, early this morning they were here. They took the excavator, they collapsed all the old foundation, pushed it in the hole, and then they started backfilling. Looks fantastic. So I don't know if there'll be any more activity here. Maybe someday the city will come in and clean that mess up. So I got some Google Map footage that I'll probably include in the beginning of this, so you could see what the former house used to look like in its derelict state from the Eagle Street side, and then the other side street on the other side there. Because unfortunately, on Thursday, when they started this project, it was raining and pouring, so I didn't get a chance to take the footage of the first swipe. Because I stood out in the rain for a couple of minutes just to watch him take the first swipe, and let me tell you, when that guy put that excavator bucket on top of the roof and he started giving a little pressure, the whole flipping house moved. So, not very structurally sound, and he wasn't even giving, you know, any kind of real pressure on it. And then every time, especially if you noticed on my first video of the back third being torn down, you see how much the house moves every time that shovel hits the structure. So I don't know if there'll be any further updates. Maybe there'll be a little one later in the summer when the grass is all in, and if there's any progress in the back for cleanup. But otherwise, the project has been completed. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.